Right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Show you what this is doing. This is giving you there's a train coming lights, you know. That's what I call them anyway. Live from Dr. Left Hand Thread Surgery in an undisclosed location in County Tyrone. Second degree burns aren't too bad. Everything's pretty good. So if there's anybody on there, just hit that like button. We'll see if we can get you a circuit board replacement here today. Here we are. That's it all. If you see the connections is different. You see this connection went down at the side, and this is coming out here, so I'm going to have to make a little bit of a connector for it. We're getting 3 bars now anyway, so that's good. Not the train coming thing that we were getting before, so we'll see. Old board, throw it over there. We've got 3 bars. Let's see. Oh, machine. That looks pretty good there, you know.